Stop guessing tops and bottoms. What if one simple indicator showed you exactly when price is stretched too far and ready to snap back? This is the MA ENV 02B indicator. It plots a moving average in the middle, with an upper and lower envelope band wrapping around it like a price channel. When the bands widen, volatility is picking up. When they squeeze in, the market is consolidating. Here's the buy setup. Wait for price to touch or get near the lower band, while the overall trend stays above the middle line. Then look for a bullish candle to close right after that touch. That candle confirms your buy entry. Stop loss goes just below the recent swing low, and you target the upper band for profit. Here's the sell setup. Wait for price to touch or push into the upper band, with the trend staying below the middle line. Watch for a bearish candle to close after that touch. That confirms your sell entry. Stop loss sits just above the recent swing high, and you target the lower band. Never trade the band touch alone. Confirm with RSI or MACD first. For buys, RSI above 50 or MACD curling up. For sells, RSI below 50 or MACD curling down. This one filter cuts out a ton of false signals. That's it. One indicator. Clear entries, clear stops, no guesswork. Want this indicator for free? Head to Forex MT4 Indicators.com and grab the MA ENV 02B download, plus free templates right now.